Hey everyone, it's Alexandria here at Town Center Family Dental, back to talk to you about another one of our amazing products, the Water Flosser by WaterPik. This is a product that I talk about with a lot of my patients because it's a great way to remove excess food particles and plaque. We generally recommend the WaterPik for patients with bridge work, crowns, large restorations, and definitely somebody who has deeper pockets beneath the gum line. That being said, all the hygienists here would agree that this is an additive and not a replacement for flossing. Your regular string floss is going to hug the contour of the tooth, but the liquid will flow into all the nooks and crannies beneath the gum line where your toothbrush can't reach at home, helping you irrigate that area. One of our favorite things to recommend to patients is diluting your mouth rinse in your water flosser. So this way you're not only irrigating that area, you're sending an antimicrobial agent directly to that spot. One of the reasons our patients love the water flosser so much is because it's such a user-friendly product. To start, fill the reservoir with warm water and place it firmly on the base. Next, you'll select the tip of the flosser, choosing from the Classic, the Plaque Seeker, the Orthodontic, or the Pickpocket, depending on what area you're targeting. If this is your first time using the WaterPik, I recommend starting on the lowest setting so you don't irritate your gums. When you're ready to start, place the tip of the pick near the gum line at a 90-degree angle. Partially close your lips and turn the device on. Keeping your lips partially closed will allow the water to flow out of your mouth while preventing splashing. Start at the back of your mouth near the gum line and slowly move the pick forward, stopping briefly for a few seconds in between your teeth. For the best results, I recommend you do this 1 minute every day. Ask us about the water flosser at your next appointment, and if you don't have your hygiene appointment scheduled, please call the number on the screen and we'll get you in. Thank you.